Welcome to Smart Auto exclusive review of the jaw-dropping 2025 Pagani Huayra BC. A hypercar that redefines luxury, performance, and craftsmanship. If you're a car enthusiast, buckle up because we're diving into every detail, inside, outside, and under the hood. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more automotive content. Exterior design. Let's start with the exterior. The Huayra BC boasts an elegant yet aggressive design. Finished in pristine white with exposed carbon fiber elements, this hypercar gleams under the showroom lights. Notice the sharp lines that seamlessly flow from the front to the rear, creating a dynamic silhouette. The front features Pagani's signature teardrop headlights, flanked by massive air intakes for superior aerodynamics. The side profile is just as stunning, with butterfly doors that scream exotic elegance. And check out those lightweight forged alloy wheels paired with high-performance tires. Every detail is engineered for both beauty and functionality. Moving to the back, the quad exhaust setup is a work of art, positioned in a diamond shape for a signature Pagani look. And those aerodynamic curves, they don't just look good, they help keep this beast glued to the road at high speeds. Interior elegance. Step inside, and you're transported to a world of luxury and innovation. The 2025 Huayra BC's cabin is a masterpiece, blending premium leather, exposed carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum accents. The seats are ergonomically designed for maximum comfort, even when you're pushing the car to its limits. The steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara, providing a firm grip, while the digital analog hybrid dashboard offers a futuristic yet classic feel. Every button and switch feels meticulously crafted, showcasing Pagani's obsession with detail. And yes, even the air vents look like they belong in a high-end timepiece. Performance specs. Now, let's talk performance, because this is where the Huayra BC truly shines. Under the hood, you'll find a hand-built 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, producing an earth-shattering 830 horsepower and 811 pound-feet of torque. This hypercar goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds and can reach a top speed of over 230 miles per hour. The 7-speed X-Track sequential transmission delivers lightning-fast gear shifts, giving you unparalleled control on both the road and the track. The advanced aerodynamics, including an active rear wing and custom air vents, ensure optimal downforce and stability at high speeds. And thanks to the carbon titanium monocoque chassis, the Huayra BC remains incredibly lightweight yet rigid, providing an unmatched driving experience. And there you have it, the 2025 Pagani Huayra BC, a true masterpiece of engineering, design, and performance. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a luxury connoisseur, this hypercar delivers on every front. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What's your favorite feature of the Huayra BC? Stay tuned for more epic car reviews. See you in the next video.